Hey, it's Fred and this is an explainer video on our Lil Bukwrap C6. Just a quick how-to. You can probably notice if I get this close on the lens, this has our special horizontal flute direction. It's so unique about our Bukwrap range. It ensures that it folds in the right places. And then our Lil Hot Melt pressure sensitive peel and seal. That's 3 times stronger than what you get on a bubble mailer, and enables us to always have as much overhang as we want to make it easier for you to peel off. Just in principle, split open the left and right sides, and anything that basically is the same sort of shape as a hardback book, because that's what the Bukwrap was originally invented for. Bring it as close to the front edge as possible. That will help you best crease it and best align it straight. So then roll it, and then I would then at this stage just twist it round to the side before I then bring that over, and hey presto. So this hot melt peel and seal, yeah, you just peel it off like this, and then our recommendation in getting a good seal on all of our products is use the base of your palm, much like kneading bread, to get sufficient pressure on there to actually seal that down without needing any kind of void fill or anything like that. And you get this buffer edge protection, which is so key to the success of the Bukwrap and why it was such a big game changer. If I put this on its end for now, in fact I can drop it on its end. There we go, fine. Before our invention of it in the turn of the century, a box standard box, the 0201 as people call it in the industry, was very much the norm. And so that still quite a lot of retailers are using it for all toys, games, puzzles, console games. Generally nobody packs this faster than 90 seconds. Some people are still using this ghastly stuff. I can't say more that this is just the bane of sustainability. Whether it's bubble wrap or a more sustainable type of void fill, this stuff still costs a tiny packet. We try and score all 4 ticks of the e-commerce packaging utopia. And we call it SURF. Sustainability, unboxing experience, reduced returns and fastest fulfillment. This ticks everyone in spades, as in sustainability compared to using plastic void fill and parcel tape. Most parcel tapes are plastic, they're a big no-no. In terms of unboxing experience, well, you can print them as nice as anything we've got here behind me. In terms of reduced returns, you've got that buffer edge corner protection I keep going on about. That is what gives it really that impact protection that you just don't really get with a box, because generally speaking a box you'll pack the product into one corner, or you'll need so much void fill in there to stop any movement and keep it centrally that it's just the unsustainable choice. And then from faster fulfillment, I mean, I hope this has demonstrated just that, but I hope you've enjoyed this video, and our others, please like and subscribe, and in the meantime, Mel happy.